A section of political leaders drawn from Marsabit County are appealing to the government to continue distributing food relief and animal feeds to cushion residents against the effects of drought. This and other stories in our county news roundup.
The leaders drawn from Marsabit County said that even though the country is experiencing rains, most residents in arid and semi-arid areas are still suffering the effects of drought. They are now calling on the government and other non-governmental organizations to support them with relief food.
We have had the worst drought in the last 40 years. I know, yes, there is rain. I've just come from Moyale, but it cannot rain today, and tomorrow there is fodder and there is food for the people. I'm appealing to the government to give consideration in an emergency state for animal feeds and human feeds.
The Directorate of Children's Services is seeking for increased budgetary allocation to cater for the increasing number of children incarcerated with their mothers in prison. The Director of Children's Services, Charles Ondongo, said that the living quarters are not only unsuitable for them, but they are also subjected to mental torture.
Actually, mental issues of children are normally taken care of by the Ministry of Health. So we work in cooperation with various stakeholders in child protection. We have the police, we have the prisons. That's why you heard that they went to visit the correctional services, because there is a role that they play. So us as children officers or the Directorate of Children's Services also take care of those children who have been left within the community.
Elsewhere, the Kenya Tobacco Control Alliance is now recommending the setting aside of a special day by the Ministry of Education for different schools, including primary and secondary, to educate students about their health and the effects of drug abuse.
Maonyesho kama haya ama sanaa kwa jumla ni muhimu sana katika kupigana na maovu katika jamii, na haswa dawa za kulevya zikiwemo pombe na tumbaku.
Finally, the National Counter-Terrorism Center (NCTC) is drafting a model prevention of violation extremism law to give county governments a legal framework to handle issues related to violent extremism. Stephen Wanyonyi, Prime Edition.